Hello students, welcome to your education. I am Jitendra Tyagi and again I am here to share one important notification that contains many job opportunities. Okay, so let us see in the details. This is from Northeastern Electric Power Corporation Limited, NEEPCO. Okay, so what are the details? We can see here NEEPCO is looking for promising, dedicated, energetic and young enterprising professionals with brilliant academic record to join the organization in the following positions. So one position name is executive trainee is engineer, electrical mechanical branches, right? E2 grade and number of vacancies you can see here 11 unreserved, 5 SC, 2 ST, 8 OBC non-creamy layer, EWS 3 and PWD 1. So total 30 posts are there. And then we have executive trainees finance E2 grade and number of vacancies we can see here 4 unreserved, 2 SC, 1 ST, 1 OBC, total 8. And age limit in different categories is mentioned in the left in the side here 30 years for unreserved category and relaxation for other categories. Okay. So now we have another post that is executive trainees human resource HR E2 grade. So we have total 2 vacancies, one for SC category, one for unreserved category. And then we have assistant company secretary training. Okay, so there is one post in unreserved category. Age limit is unreserved category 30 years, SC 35 years, right? Now what is the qualification required for executive trainees engineer? Okay, in electrical mechanical E2 grade, full-time bachelor's degree in engineering or technology, okay, or AMIE eligible. Okay, here important point is AMIE eligible or BSc engineering in electrical or mechanical engineering with not less than 65% marks, okay, as per your university, and it is 55% for SC ST PWD. And important point is that candidates must have appeared and qualified in GATE examination 2022. So these posts will be filled on the basis of GATE 2022 score. So those who have a valid and good GATE score in 2022 who did not use it to get any PSU up to now, this is good opportunity for all such students, right? Now there will be interview also, okay, but main criteria is GATE score 22, not 23, it is for 22 and no 21. Okay, then we have executive trainee finance, so must have passed for a final exam of CA. Okay, so CA is a required qualification here. And for executive trainee HR human resource, graduate with full-time MBA or postgraduate degree or diploma in personal and administration, industrial relations, human resource development, human resource management of minimum 2 years duration with 65% marks. Okay, candidates must have appeared in UGC NET in labor welfare, personal management, labor and social welfare or HRM in 21-22 merge cycle. ठीक है, तो ये जो ह्यूमन रिसोर्स वाला रिक्रूटमेंट है दैट इज ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ यूजीसी नेट एग्जामिनेशन एंड फॉर इंजीनियर इट इज ऑन गेट एग्जामिनेशन. ओके, देन वी हैव असिस्टेंट कंपनी सेक्रेटरी ट्रेनी E2 ग्रेड. सो ग्रेजुएट एंड ए क्वालिफाइड कंपनी सेक्रेटरी होल्डिंग वैलिड मेंबरशिप फ्रॉम द इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ कंपनी सेक्रेटरीज ऑफ इंडिया. Degree in law will be an added qualification. So someone having degree in law will be an edge, right? And it is desirable to have 1 to 2 years experience. Okay, so this is important point. Now we can see here placement you can post it anywhere after the completion of the training, and training may also be at different places. Now there is important point, that is bond, service bond. So you need to serve the country for minimum 5 years duration. So you have to fill a bond of 2,50,000 for okay general category and SC ST 1,25,000. Okay, so service bond वहाँ पे आपको fill करना है 5 years का. Okay, now selection process. So selection process में क्या होगा? Firstly they will shortlist on the basis of GATE score as well as UGC NET, and then there will be personal interview, right? So personal interview will be important here, and 80%, 20% weightage will be there. Final merit panel of the selected candidates will be prepared based on weightage of 80% given to mark score in GATE examination or CA or this UGC NET examination, and 20% weightage will be given to the interview. Okay, so this is important point, right? Now you can read this PDF in detail for other information. This was the important information. So those eligible kindly apply for this job. Okay, all the best.